Hello.
Another ginger? This means war.
Sorry, but does anybody want to volunteer to go to the other team? Your mag's in upside down. You go on to the other team.
MG42 on the window. I want 6 walkers. We only have. Alright, I want 2 officers on the sides. And I want 1 scavenger on the left, watching our butts. And I want 2 chargers with me. But I want you guys laying down cover fire so we don't get our butts shot up.
Fabio, I didn't even understand that, and I've been playing for 5 years.
Of course you didn't. Spartan!
Hold on, what can we do? Well, this room is a death trap now, so... Let's see. Wanna try to hold down the house? Well, I guess I get right here, where there's nowhere they can really enter. I'll watch back this way, and then...
Whoa, crap!
Nobody likes Justin Bieber at all, do they?
I love them.
Let's go. Let's burn the airsoft war, man.
Nah, let's do it.
Hey, wait, flatten our Mason.
Hey.
Don't tell them. Want to say hi to the camera?
Yeah, hey.
Say hi to the
I
camera.
want to be on YouTube now. I want to be on YouTube.
Say hi to the camera.
No. KWA.
What's up, dude?
It's a camera. I thought it was a flashlight.
What's going on?
Stop.
Blake.
What? What?
Aren't you going to say anything to the camera?
Joey!
Want to say hi to the camera?
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah! We're back here. We're sitting in the teacup room. Sorry we didn't save you any tea.
It's alright.
Hey, yeah.
I'm gonna cover you. Get in behind that pallet.
Okay. Hey! That didn't work. What? Oh.
We will accept your surrender now or later, whichever's best for you. Now would be preferable because tea's on the brew.
Tea's on the brew.
I'm talking about they walking in charge.
You can walk out in a tick and we won't hurt you. You hear the massive firepower of the Royal Army? What's your story? What's out here? Hold on, boys. Hold on, hold on. Okay. I'm sure you're all very satisfied, but you can stop.
They're yelling something.
I think they're contemplating surrendering. That's right, you fools. You stand no chance.
What happened to the music?
Don't know, but it's starting to scare me. The heck? No! No! Why? Why? Whose iPod is this? Now I want to just die. Now I want to die.
Are you kidding me? He hasn't got hit yet?
I got like 3 guys.
You didn't get, you're just like, hey, I want to die, or else you can die. James!
Oh, man.
James!
Hey, watch this. Be ready. Let's go, guys.
Guys, we have to race like Justin Bieber to get there. Gun's messing up again.
Yeah, okay.
Wow, I didn't even get shot. He just popped out and shot me. He didn't hit me.
You hit Weaver?
No, I didn't get hit.
Barrel?
Yeah, there's barrels over there.
No, I'm saying like a barrel with gun. Like sticking around the corner. I thought that was a barrel. I'm not talking about those big blue things.
Oh.
That's dumb. What's that? Yeah, let's go. Alright, shoot out, ladies. Come on, follow me. I want to get this ball back before we lose anybody, alright? Do not risk any losses. It is not unmanaged to retreat. If you're alive, you're the managed man I know. Alright. set up. Don't be afraid to fall back, okay? I'm making sure.